Welcome to Lahaina Beach here in Maui. We're currently near Paia Town, and this is actually considered one of the best kite surfing spots in the world. As you can tell, it's very windy. There's definitely a lot of kite surfers. They have a lot of warnings here though, which is very interesting. Kiters, be safe. They actually give like a pretty clear outline here on what not to do. I love this. Gentlemen's agreement. No kiters allowed when 10 surfers or 10 windsurfers are in the water. Nothing legally binding, just a gentleman's agreement around here is all it takes. All right, we're gonna go check out the small little rustic town up ahead and see you there. A lot of funky and weird shops in this town. Look at that. Look at this funky artwork. It's a funny looking elephant. If you want artsy fartsy stuff, this is your town. All right, that was interesting. Let's go on to the next town, shall we? So guess what time it is? You guessed it, banana loaf time. I've been eating nothing but banana bread loaf all trip long, and it's amazing. We're gonna take a quick pit stop and make our way to the city of Lahaina, which is on the western part of Maui. Should be for a good day. So check it out. If there's one thing Hawaii is known for, is fresh fruit on the side of the road. And everywhere you drive by in Hawaii, you'll find this. We got star fruit, the packaged stuff. It smells weird. We got coconut, avocados, melons, we got apples, even oranges for $5. It's a bit expensive in my mind. Oh, we even have nuts. Look at that. We have nuts. You can crack them here if you want. Limes, bananas, local orange, and packaging stuff back here. We have the famous pineapples, which you'll find all over Hawaii. You got pineapple farms. We got passion fruit. We got sugarcane. We got onions. We got potatoes, cucumbers, red potatoes, garlic. Do yourself a favor and stop at one of the many fruit stands on the road. It's part of road tripping through Hawaii. All right, we just made it to Lahaina, and it is a cute little town. 98.3, and you know what we're doing? So check it out, we just made it to Lahaina, and in fact, this is one of the better beaches I found on Maui. That light behind me looks pretty awesome though. Nice. Wondering where those girls are. They actually stayed at the beach back there. I said, I want to go take pictures. They're like, we want to go to the beach. I'm like, cool, see you later. What happens when you travel, you can't always satisfy 3 people's needs. You just gotta do it alone sometimes. So I was trying to get some bee footage. It's impossible, it's too windy. Way too windy. The view is gorgeous though, as you can see. It almost looks like Scotland. Everything in life is about sacrifice, and my sacrifice today is being here alone. Don't let the company of others stop you from doing what you want to do. Those are my words of wisdom for the day here in Hawaii. So stay positive, my friends. All right, so as you can see, it's actually nightfall here, and I'm gonna make my way back to the city of Kahului, which is over there. And anyway, thanks for joining me for the adventure today. See you tomorrow. Thanks to Hawaii Tourism USA for sponsoring this video. To plan your own trip to Maui, check out the description. So check it out, I was actually gonna try to fly the drone, but as you can see, it's way too windy for that. You just have to enjoy the view for what it is now. All right, time to continue on this road and see if I can't loop the island before the sun goes down.